Hello dear students of ninth grade. Today I will discuss about the 11th chapter of history. In this chapter we have discussed about the beginning of the Renaissance, its impact. Today we will discuss about the impact of Renaissance. Renaissance की क्या क्या impact है? The Renaissance had a great impact on all aspect of life. Art, ठीक है, कौन कौन सी आर्ट, लिटरेचर, फिलोसफी, साइंस, रिलीजन एटसेट्रा. इट वॉज ड्यू टू द स्पिरिट ऑफ रेनेसेंस दैट significant trait emerged in the realms of art, thought and literature, thoughts and literature. The Renaissance did not merely lead to the rebirth of learning but also the rebirth of the art. During the medieval time, the paintings and sculptures served as a tool for propagating religions. Even the color which the painter used was strictly regulated. However, the artists of the Renaissance period refused to abide by medieval ruler and traditions. आगे है पेंटिंग. द रेनेसेंस पेंटर एस्टेब्लिश वेरी स्टैंडर्ड एंड प्रोड्यूस सम ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट पेंटिंग ऑफ द टाइम. उस टाइम में जो आर्ट है वो भी अच्छा था और पेंटिंग भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी होती थी. दे वर एबल टू शो देयर टैलेंट विदाउट बीइंग रिस्ट्रिक्टेड बाय द रिजिड रूल्स ऑफ द चर्च. They had a humanistic secular approach and produced highly artisan life skill painting. इसके अलावा some of the prominent painting of the Renaissance period were the following. Leonardo da Vinci was a great painter, ठीक है, musician, sculptor and a scientist. Leonardo da Vinci received no formal education beyond basic reading, writing and math, but his father appreciated the artist's talent and apprenticed him to at around the age of 15 to noted sculptor and painter. He painted the famous painting that was about the Mona Lisa, the Virgin of the Rock. Those were the great painting of the Leonardo da Vinci. Next is literature. The most significant impact of Renaissance on literature was the use of local languages instead of Latin as in the Middle Age. Besides, there was a chance to themes in the literary work. Literature in Italy. Medievally was the great political writer of Italy. He expressed his political idea in his work. Literature in England. England produced a number of writers, poets, dramatists and poets. Other famous English writers in this period were Francis Bacon, William Shakespeare, Ben Jonson and Marlowe. Francis Bacon was famous essay writer. Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, Marlowe were well-known dramatists. Paradise Lost is an immortal work of Milton. William Shakespeare, the English poet, playwright and actor. सभी को इसके बारे में पता ही है. आगे है साइंस. The Renaissance marked the beginning of the modern science. Earlier, it was held that all views even on science are to be supported by the authority of the scriptures. However, the scientists of this period believed that all views on science should be based on the observation and experimentations. Consequences of Renaissance led to the Reformation movement in Europe, development of humanism, development of scientific outlook, rise of monarchical form of government. All these are the consequences. So this is the chapter about the Renaissance. I hope you understand this chapter and I advise the student to read this chapter by yourself also to understand it well. Thank you.